Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your Mac OS version. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose About this Mac from the menu that appears. Your macOS version will be at the top of the pop-up window that appears. As you can see, mine is Mac Os Monterey version 12.4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.